Understanding the meaning of equity. Equity, or owner's equity, is the difference between the value of the assets and the value of the liabilities of something owned. It is governed by the following equation. Equity is assets minus liabilities. Equity can be used for A. Renovation of your house, B. To buy a car, C. To buy a business. Most important, equity can help to get in the investment property market. How much equity of my house can be used to buy an investment property? How can I find out equity in my house as I am planning to buy an investment property? Steps. First, I need to know what the value of the property is. Second, I need to check what is my outstanding home loan. Third, I need to subtract value of property from outstanding home loan. Let's do some maths. Okay, let's say my house value is 500,000. Loan amount is 400,000. So I have equity of 100,000. Equity equals 500,000 minus 400,000, which equals 100,000. Can I use this 100,000 to buy an investment property? Typically, banks would lend up to 80% of the value of property, which is 400,000 if property value is 500,000. If I borrow more than 80%, I need to pay mortgage insurance. After a few years, my property value went up to 600,000, and my outstanding home loan is 350,000. So, equity equals 600,000, the house value, minus 350,000, home loan account balance, which equals 250,000. Great news! Equity of my house is 250,000. Now we need to find out what is usable equity. As discussed earlier, banks typically lend up to 80%. Now, if property value is 600,000 and account balance is 350,000, what is 80% of property value? 80% of 600,000, the house value, equals 480,000. So, bank could lend up to 480,000. To find out how much exactly is usable equity, we need to subtract 80% of property value from equity. Usable equity equals 480,000 minus 250,000 equals 230,000. Wow! Now I know what my usable equity is. Note, bank would only allow borrowing against usable equity if we can service the additional debt. It could be challenging if buying an investment property first time. Ashok Chhabra, Senior Mortgage Broker at Loan Approach, can assist you in the whole process. For more information, visit www.loanapproach.com.au.